Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am loving life freely here on YouTube. Sorry, my brain is just going around and around in circles. We've got so much going on today. I'm finally getting around to doing that 90-day update I've been talking about for a couple of weeks. I do apologize. It has taken me some time to get around to this. I was originally going to do a 90-day update on a different brand. However, this one was due, and I wanted to get this up because this brand has been talked about a little bit more recently in the reseller business, just because it's becoming more and more popular, especially through Helpsy Source. This is where I got this box. And the brand is Halara. This brand I never knew about before I found it on Helpsy Source. At the time I was looking at athletic wear. It was, I got this late December, so I listed these in January. So I'm a little tiny bit late on getting this posted, but not too bad. So most of these were listed sometime in January, so it has been roughly around 30 days or 90 days. And let me tell you up front, I'm really pleased with this brand. And I think the reason why I did good on the box, but I think I could have done even better, and we'll talk about why in just a minute. Okay, guys, so let's get into the numbers on what did sell. If you are new here, first of all, I'd like to say welcome. I haven't done a 90-day update in a while because a lot of the boxes that I was doing before were pieces that were going into my Whatnot auctions. Now that I'm just doing kids on Whatnot, anything that I do on box now, I'm doing 90-day updates on now. This is the first one I've done for months, so I'm excited that you've joined us for this particular one for Halara. Now, Halara, if you don't know yet, Halara has been advertised on TikTok. It's become a really huge thing. Everybody's like going for it. They love the brand. It's good quality. It retails pretty decently. It's not like super expensive, which I think is great because they're great pieces, and it doesn't retail super high. But I got this box. It was 40 pieces of sports bras and tops, and they were $3.50 a piece. I got them on sale. I was really, really happy to get them for $3.50 a piece. Again, they're tops and sports bras. I haven't sold everything in the box, but I have sold, I sold 12 of them. I'm kind of glad I did this update today because just 2 days ago, yesterday, I sold a bundle, and I'll tell you about that bundle here in just a second. So I was glad that I was able to include that in with these numbers for y'all. Okay, again, so my COG on all of these was $3.50. So I'm not going to go through and tell you each time that the COG was $3.50 because you already know that. Okay, so let me see this white one here. I'll put up the screenshots for y'all so you can see them. This white one here was part of that bundle. This gal purchased 3 of them from me, and she put them in a bundle and offered me $45 for 3 of them, and I wanted to at least double my money on the pieces. And at the number that she gave me, I would barely do that without the Poshmark fees. So I did bump it up $10. She did accept the $10. So these sold $55 for 3 of them. So I doubled my money on top of having the Poshmark fees taken out. So that worked out great. So she purchased this white one, this tan one, and this black one. So I was super excited to get those out to her. Okay, and then the next one was this black one over here. Now, a lot of these are the same color. So I have a way that I'm figuring out how to do these screenshots for y'all so I don't mix up which one's which. So this one sold for $20. Now, y'all know what all these sold on Poshmark. None of them sold on any of the other platforms. I don't think any of them sold on eBay. I think they're all on Poshmark, which is fine. So y'all already know that if it's $20, it's automatically, the 20%, so it's $4 off $20, so $16. And anything below $15, you already know it's $3. So I'm not going to worry about telling you what the fees were. Okay, so this one sold for $20. This really pretty pink one sold for $15. This blue one is a tie-dye, no, just a regular blue one, sold for $13. This was my lowest sale price on all these. I didn't want to go any lower than that, but I did want to get these through because it has been 3 months and I do have a few left still, and I do want to get through the inventory of these items. So I did take that. Okay, this tie-dye one was really cute. This sold for $21. This black one, another black one, sold for $22. Another blue tie-dye sold for $18. This blue one sold for 21. This black top sold for 21. And this green one sold for 24. Okay, so now let me share with you my thoughts on this box. Would I get this box again if I could get a decent cog on it? Yes, I would. What I think my mistake was is I listed them too high to start with. These retail for like around 30, 35 for the sports bras. And no, actually I think it was like 35 for the sports bras, 35 or 40 they retail for. I put them up for 30 because I didn't know. Because the brand was so popular, and I thought, well, I can always accept offers, right? I got so many likes on all these tops, you guys. I'm not kidding you. These were a very popular top, very popular brand. I have some of these that have 10 and 12 likes on them. It's just insane how many likes they got. Normally you get maybe a handful of likes on something before, whether you delist or relist or do whatever, or it sells. But these got a lot of, and not just on Mercari, eBay, and Poshmark. All platforms. They were getting lots and lots of likes. So I think next time if I get this box and have the opportunity to get this box again, I'll only list them. Of course, my cog will be less than $5. Hopefully around $3.54 for each piece. And then I'll probably list them next time around $25. Because most of these, the average sale price was around $20 to $25 or a little bit less. And even if a $20 offer or 20% offer went out to them, it's literally right around the range of what I sold these at. So I think I listed them too high. So if I got this box again, I would list them at 25, and hopefully the likes will turn into more sales. I got a lot of offers on these. And when I got an offer, making sure, of course, that I at least doubled money, I just accepted because I wanted to get them, going through. I do still have some left. In fact, I have a few over here that I haven't even listed yet because I had them up on a rack for an auction and they never sold in the auction. This was a couple months ago. I'm going to get those listed because out of 12, there was 40 in the box. So I do still have a few left, and I have reduced all the prices in all these. Out of all the pieces, there was actually one nice blouse in there. I had it listed for 35, so I brought that down to 30. I may even bring that down to like 28. But all the other sports bras and tops, I have at 25. So hopefully over the next few months, we'll finish selling those out and we'll get those moving along. So yeah, this is Halara. They also sell, there was some shorts in this, sports bras, tops. They also sell dresses. I know another gal who's a reseller, and she got the dress box. They're like tennis dresses. I didn't catch that box. I think if the cog was good, I may have gotten that box because this has done so well, and it's got so many likes. But yeah, if I had the opportunity to get this again. So guys, be on the lookout for Halara. I've even actually on Whatnot auctions seen Halara, and people didn't know what this brand was, and I snatched up a Halara skirt that I listed, snatched it up for $5, and it was new. It was in excellent, I don't remember if it was new with tags or in excellent condition, but I've got that listed. I don't remember what I listed that for, so I may have to go back and look at that one and maybe list that one, also bring it down to 25 if I have it listed for more. But Halara is a great brand. So if you have an opportunity ever on Helpsy stores or any other platform to pick up Halara, it's a TikTok brand. It's not actually listed under Halara when it's on the Helpsy website. It's listed under that TikTok brand. And then they have Halara in the actual listing. So if you're actually looking up Halara on Helpsy, you're probably not going to find it. Well, it may pull it up. I don't know. But anyway, so that's where I got it, and I hope seeing this update and seeing how these did. Again, I think I would have done even better if I'd have listed them lower to start with. So if you get them, list them lower, like around, $24, $25, something like that, because these are nice sports bras. And hopefully your average price would be anywhere from like $15, $18, $20, $25, somewhere in there. Because my average sale price was probably around $18, $20 on most of these. I only had two of the lower sale prices, 15 and 13. I had an 18, and the rest were 20 or more, except for that bundle. Those did sell for $14 a piece because it was in a bundle, and I wanted to get them through, and I offered her a great deal. So other than that, the average sale price was around $20. So that's a good sale price for an item that costs $3.50. I think that's a great price. So again, I hope this helps. If you have not yet subscribed, guys, please do so. Thank you so much to all of you. Even if you haven't subscribed, for watching. It's because of you guys that my channel is growing. And I always want to say thank you for your support, for watching, for your feedback. If you haven't been giving feedback and you've thought about it, please do so. I love hearing from you. I love learning from you guys. I love seeing your interaction amongst each other also. And I love the reseller community and connection. Again, if you haven't hit that bell notification, and please give this a thumbs up of seeing what this Halara box did, how it did for me, if it was a blessing to you. And guys, we'll see you in the next one.